Hi guys, Lee here from Trading College. On this video, we're going to dive into the day trading strategy my mentor taught me 21 years ago. And once we've learned this trading strategy, there's 5 more free day trading strategies he taught me that I'm going to be giving to you in the description below this video. So click on the link and get those 5 free day trading strategies. God bless him. He taught me those 21 years ago and I'm passing them on to you guys. All right. So I hope you enjoy them. Now, it's the break of the first 5-minute candlestick. Now, if you're trading from the UK, if you're UK, trading US shares, with spread betting accounts, it can be quite tricky. I've got a stock broker that is perfect for day trading US shares. I'll do that on the next video and cover that. Make sure you get the strategies from this video first, though. But this one was all about the break of the first 5-minute candlestick. Okay. Now, in the old days, pre-market would be 1 p.m. London time up till 2:30 p.m. Okay, so that's when the US markets were opening for US shares. Those hot markets, those hot stocks that were running on news announcements. They could be anything from $1 all the way up to $60-$70. And those days, including these days, we have got these fantastic scanners or screeners where we can find these stocks now. Here's TradingView. I used to use TradeStation when I first started day trading 21 years ago, and so did he. But now TradeStation for me is a US company. It isn't really for me that the software that I will really want to use, to be honest, at the moment. TradingView is really good here. Now, I've set it up where the scanner or the screener here just finds me these stocks, and you can see there's a few movers here as well. All right, so once you get the stock that you're interested in, then you want to come to the chart. Now, on the chart here, it's the break of the first 5-minute candlestick. Now, look at this down below here. You can see it's 1:15, all right? So the market's 15 minutes away from opening because the clocks haven't changed here in the UK yet. The US market's open. The cash session opens at 1:30 at the moment. Once the clocks get shifted here in the UK, we're back to 2:30 open time, all right? Now, we don't know when the volume's going to kick in with a stock in particular, but once we get that nice momentum down below here, nice momentum up, we put a little line across the high of the first 5-minute candlestick. Stop is at the swing low, and you want to get that momentum move here. You want to get that whoosh in the markets, that explosive move above the breakout area of that 5-minute. Now, if the price of this is $1.07, then as soon as it goes through that price and gets trading at 108, then you're long the market, right? Okay, so I wouldn't particularly put an order here. I would literally be just buying it. Now, it's tricky if you're buying it with a spread betting account, trying to put an order in here, you probably might not be able to do that. But you just want to buy it as quick as possible as soon as it breaks through that first 5-minute candlestick. Once we do that, we're just managing the trade, okay, and we're going for our dollar run. And we're going for the dollar run in the morning move. Morning move here, of course, being the US morning and our afternoon here in the UK. So a really nice move here, and you're trying to go for your day's money and get that dollar run. Yep, God bless him. He always talked about the dollar run and that going for the 100-point move or just $1 to make your day's money. And it's doable when you're trading these US shares. And so the screeners help you find those shares. And the other one here was the super micro computer. Now, we got that nice volume move here. Okay, turned green. It broke the high of that first 5-minute candlestick that showed that impulsive move, $39, all the way up to $40.15, guys. Easy dollar run, and it's literally 15 minutes, well, 10 minutes later, and you've made your day's money. That's how good day trading US shares can be. So if I was you, I'd take advantage of those free 5 day trading strategies, and they are exactly what he taught me with many years ago, and he became very rich trading these strategies. So take advantage of them, guys, and do that straight after this video. Okay, so that's what I was looking at on Friday, the break of the first 5-minute candlestick with these explosive moves, but not just in stocks that are coming out with news, but also highly traded stocks like super microcomputer here, which you can get some very nice moves on as well. All right, guys, hope it helps, and I'll speak to you on the next update.